we are going to discuss about chlorine from the halogen group. From the halogen group, we are going to discuss the chlorine preparation, chemical properties, physical properties. Chlorine can be prepared from sodium chloride, MnO2, magnesium oxide plus H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. When you mix everything, you will get chlorine plus MnCl2 plus sodium HSO4, that is bisulfate, plus water. So in order to prepare chlorine, you have to add NaCl. This is Cl, sodium chloride, more sodium chloride with MnO2 plus H2SO4, you will get chlorine. What other preparations we can use PbO2, that is plumb oxide plus HCl gives rise to PbCl2 plus water plus chlorine. PbCl2 can be used in the preparation of Cl2. Next, MnO2 can be used along with HCl. Then KMnO4 can be used along with HCl. K2Cr2O7, that is potassium chromate, can be used with more HCl. We can produce high amount of chlorine. High amount of chlorine can be prepared. So this is about the preparation of chlorine. Actually, chlorine can be manufactured by one process called as Deacon's process. In this Deacon's process, what will happen? You will put mixture of air and HCl, hydrochloric acid, together under 400 degrees Celsius is very, very important, with the catalyst as copper chloride. You will get what it will decompose to chlorine and water, so chlorine can be taken. So this is all about chlorine preparation using Deacon's process. But what happens when you add copper chloride? When you add copper chloride with oxygen, you will get CuO2Cl2. Now what happens when the CuOCl2 is further decomposed with HCl? You will get 2CuCl2 plus H2O. Further, this 2CuCl2 will be decomposed to Cu2Cl2 plus chlorine. So we have prepared chlorine finally. So this is Deacon's process is very, very important. This is for chlorine preparation. So this is for chlorine preparation. So this is for chlorine preparation. Other examples say, okay, what happens when chlorine is reacted with H2O, with alkali, etc. That I will show you here. What happens when chlorine and H2O is reacted? It will produce HCl as usual and HOCl. What happens when chlorine adds with NaOH? It will produce NaOCl. What is NaOCl? Sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite is produced. So what happens when oxidation takes place in chlorine? H2O plus Cl, bleaching action. If they ask you about bleaching action, you should write H2O plus CO to produce HCl plus HOCl. This hypochlorous acid is further decomposed to HCl plus oxygen atom. This is called as bleaching action. So how can a bleaching powder can be produced? When you add calcium oxide calcium hydroxide with chlorine, you will produce calcium chloride plus H2O. So this is the bleaching powder preparation, and some of the redox reaction is given in your book, students. You have to study it. It's very easy. If you add Cl2 with K bromine, Cl2 with K iodine, these are called as redox reaction. When you put bromine and iodine with chlorine, potassium bromine and iodine with chlorine, that is called as redox reaction. That is oxidation and reduction taking place at the same time. So this is all about chlorine. Chlorine can be the uses of chlorine. Uses of chlorine is it can be used for purification of drinking water, purification of water, bleaching cotton, extraction of gold, platinum, etc. These are the uses of chlorine. And then we know how we can prepare HCl, the same equation. How we have to prepare HCl is to put sodium chloride. Where is that equation? Here written somewhere. Sodium chloride. Okay, I will write it again. How we will find when sodium chloride is mixed with H2SO4, we will get NaHSO4 plus HCl. So this is how HCl is prepared, that is hydrochloric acid is prepared. What are some of the physical and chemical properties? HCl can be mixed with water to produce chlorine, to prepare chlorine and H3O. You can add zinc with HCl to produce zinc chloride and nitrogen, magnesium with HCl to produce magnesium chloride and nitrogen, etc. So these are some of the properties and uses of preparation of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid can be used in the manufacture of chlorine, ammonium, etc. It can also be used for the extraction of glue from bone. We can take glue or gum from the bone by putting hydrochloric acid. That's why they will say bone arichirom HCl. That's why we are adding. So if you put hydrochloric acid with bone, the bone will become liquid form and it will turn to glue form. So that is all about halogen. Next we will go to inert gases.